Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. We have a new German word to learn.
Bevor.
Hey Alex. What does
bevor,
mean?
Bevor.
Means before in English. It's used to talk about things that happen earlier in time. The most common usage is when referring to actions.
Oh, so it's a conjunction.
Exactly. Just be careful because it can sometimes be confused with similar words like
Nach.
which means after. Now let's look at how
Bevor.
works in sentences. It's often used to connect two clauses. For example, you might say,
Ich esse, bevor ich gehe.
which means I eat before I go.
Got it. So, is there a specific structure to remember?
Yes. When using
Bevor.
the verb in the second clause goes to the end. So, the full structure would be subject, verb, then,
Bevor.
plus the second subject and its verb at the end. In terms of grammar,
Bevor.
is a conjunction, so it doesn't change form like a noun or a verb. It's always
Bevor.
That sounds simple enough.
and it's very useful. You can use it in the present tense, past tense, and other tenses, but the structure remains the same. Just remember that it connects two different actions. The word
Bevor.
comes from Middle High German and has roots in Old High German. It originally meant prior to in a more general sense.
That's interesting. I didn't know it had such a long history.
Yes, many German words have fascinating origins that reflect the way people thought about time and actions in the past. Now let's break down the word.
Bevor.
It's actually a simple word without prefixes or suffixes. It's made up of the root,
Vor.
which means before or in front of.
So, it's like saying in front of time.
Exactly. You can think of it as a way to position actions in time. Let's look at some similar words. For example, there are other conjunctions like
Während.
which means while, and
Nachdem.
meaning after.
Those sound useful.
We also have
Vorher.
meaning beforehand, and
Vor.
which just means before in a more general sense.
So many variations.
Yes. And don't forget about
Zuerst.
which means first, and
Eher.
meaning earlier. Now let's practice speaking. Imagine you're planning your day. You could say,
Ich mache meine Hausaufgaben, bevor ich ins Bett gehe.
So that means I do my homework before I go to bed.
Exactly. Now let's try another situation. If you were at a restaurant, you might say,
Ich bestelle das Essen, bevor ich die Rechnung bitte.
I order the food before I ask for the bill.
perfect. Now one more, imagine you're going to a concert. You could say,
Ich treffe meine Freunde, bevor das Konzert beginnt.
I meet my friends before the concert starts.
well done. To help you remember the gender of,
Bevor.
just think of it as a conjunction that links actions. It doesn't have a gender, but when you use it, you can visualize the sequence of events.
That's a fun way to remember.
Great. As for collocations, you might hear phrases like,
Bevor ich gehe. Bevor wir anfangen. Bevor du kommst.
just a quick note,
Bevor.
is used in informal contexts most often.
So, it's casual language.
Yes, but it's still perfectly correct to use in formal writing. Just remember not to confuse it with
Nach. Während.
Let's do a quick recall check. First question, what does
Bevor.
mean?
It means before.
Correct. Second question, is
Bevor.
a noun, verb, or conjunction?
It's a conjunction.
Right again. Third question, can you give me an example sentence with
Bevor.
Ich esse, bevor ich gehe.
perfect? Fourth question, where does
Bevor.
come from?
Old High German.
Close. It's actually from Middle High German. Last question, can you name a similar word?
How about?
Während.
Exactly. Great job, Sam. To sum up, today we learned about the word,
Bevor.
which means before and is a conjunction used to connect actions. You did really well.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using
Bevor.
now.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.